Welcome back. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Brooke.
And we are the
Weirigs.
As you can see, today we are going to be doing a blindfold challenge.
Are you taking it off?
Yeah, I just took mine off.
Okay. You didn't tell me. I can't get it off.
I didn't give her any direction. It's fine. So we're going to be doing a blindfold challenge to see who can tell which burgers are placed in front of us. So her brother Bryson is here behind the camera. Wave to the people. And he is going to be giving us each burger one at a time as we are blindfolded, and we're going to try and guess which burger it is.
He's going to also make sure that we can't see a thing. So...
And we made sure each burger was the same. It's just a burger with ketchup, mustard, lettuce, onion, and pickles.
And where are all the burgers from?
We have Burger King, we have McDonald's, we have Wendy's, and we have Smash Burger.
Smash
Burger. All right.
Okay.
Let's go.
All right. Okay. I'm ready.
All right, can you not see anything?
Nope, can't.
No.
Nope. I thought there was a plate right here, actually. But there's not.
All right, I think we're good. All right, plating is beginning.
Plating. Ooh, I'm hungry. This is going to be good.
Kind of like the Food Network.
By the way, I think I'm going to win.
I promise I wash my hands. All right, it's in front of you.
Okay.
Wait, did you pray first?
Yes.
Wait, did you pray first? I don't want to get Rona.
Go.
Okay, wait a minute. Are we starting?
Yeah.
We're
Okay.
going.
Okay.
It's a lot of bread.
I'm thinking,
Okay. Tell me when you're ready for it.
Wait.
Guess.
I want to try one more.
That's just because you're hungry, not because you...
I know where this is from.
I do too.
I've never had it.
Okay, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
3, 2, 1, guess.
Burger
Wendy's.
King.
All right. All right, round 2.
Okay, wait, did you pray over this
pray
one?
over that?
Yeah, we prayed over all of them.
Okay. I don't want to get the Rona.
Okay, just feeling this and smelling this, I already know where it's from.
It's really
It's a lot.
chewy.
It's a lot better of a burger, though.
Wow, it's so different. This one's Burger King.
Well, are we going to count down?
Sorry.
All right, ready?
I don't
Yeah.
know the rules.
3, 2, 1.
Burger
Smash Burger.
King.
All right.
I'm hitting on you.
Okay, round 3.
Did you get that?
Yes.
Okay,
Oh, this is a very compact one.
this is a lot smaller.
Yeah, a ton smaller.
Don't say eat.
Whoa.
I know where this is from.
Ooh, I changed my mind about the first one.
Wait.
Can I do that?
Wait.
No.
Wait.
I know what this one is.
You can guess.
I know.
You can guess whatever you want.
But
If
the
you
first
guess-
one,
if
can I
you-
change my answer
No.
for the first one?
If you guess the same one as the first one, that's fine. But you can't change your answer.
Okay.
You can guess the same thing that you guessed for the first one. if
Okay.
you want. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Wendy's.
All right.
That is so Wendy's.
Round 4. Go.
On.
No peeking.
Oh, this is easy. The classic onion taste.
Okay, Bobby Fly.
This one's Burger King.
Brooke.
Oh, sorry. No, sorry.
All right, I'm ready.
Okay, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
McDonald's.
Smash burgers.
All
High five, honey.
right, high five. All right.
All right.
I feel really good about that one.
Yeah, I'm not so sure.
I feel like I got everyone right.
I think I got maybe a couple right.
Okay.
I don't think I got every single one of them.
So, number 1 was Wendy's.
What?
Number 2 was Smash Burger.
Okay.
Number 3 was Burger King. And number 4 was McDonald's.
Okay.
Wow.
So I got 2.
You
and
got 2.
I got 1.
Awesome.
Good job.
I've never tried Burger King before, so I guess that's why I swapped that one.
Really?
Yeah, I've never had it.
Interesting.
Yeah. Well, out of all of our spouse jousts, I've won 2. You've won 1, so I'm ahead. And we'll see how it keeps going.
It was interesting because the burgers actually were all extremely different.
Yeah, very different.
If any of you want to try this, it was a very interesting experiment.
Yep. All right, and we will catch you next time.
Bye, everybody.